Oh yeah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Two of them! That's so insane! Wow! Be careful! Oh my god! Ooh, that's good. Wow, wow, wow! Wow! He caught a lot of big fish! Wow! Look at this! Wow! Oh my god! That's a lot of time, isn't it? Wow! There are many of them. Wow. And one big catfish as well. They are huge Changogami. Yeah. It's really big size of Changogami. They cost a lot of them. Wow. I think this one is about 4 pounds maybe. They are huge. Someone is 5 pounds. Wow. 6 of them already. I have 3 more, 4 more. Oh, 10 times already in one partner. This is so awesome. Like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12. 12 of them. Wow. And a big catfish as well. This is so insane. Wow. Wow, that's good. Wow, wow, wow. I think he caught some fish. Look at the water. Wow. That's a big fish. That's a big catfish and a huge carp. Ooh, it's huge. Wow. some small fish as well. Wow, that's so beautiful. It's kind of heavy. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, we caught a lot of big fish. Oh my god. It's a huge catfish. Wow. So amazing. And some big fish as well. Oh, that's a big catfish. I think this one is about 3 pounds. Yes. And this one is huge. I think this one is about like 12 or 13 pounds. Wow, it's huge. Look at this. Oh. It's a big cat. Let's see if we can catch any giant fish today. Wow, 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 wow! Oh my god! That's a giant fish! Wow! So be careful! Oh my god! That's what a giant fish! Ooh. I think we caught a giant fish. Wow, it's right in the cast net. Oh yeah! Oh my god! Oh my god, 2 of them! That's so insane, wow! Be careful! Wow! This is so amazing, guys! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow! It's a giant fish. I think we call it 2 of them. Wow! This is so crazy. Oh my god. Look at this. Yeah, help him, help him. Wow. God. Wow. Oh my. Oh, look, 3 of them. Oh my god. This is so crazy, guys. We caught like 3 giant fish. Wow. This is so insane. They are huge. Oh my god. It's so beautiful fish. Wow, we got 3 of them. Wow. You see the fish is bigger than him. It's a beautiful fish. It's like oh, they our gunner, guys. Like giant fish. Wow. Look at the tail. It's so beautiful, like breast orange. Wow. Can you see like the fish is bigger than our fishermen? We still have one more. And that one is smaller. Wow. They're really small stuff fish.